Ay, palpatay ito.
Pagbantay ganito.
Nagsiga guys.
Itong tip dito mucho yun.
Kana. Ah, that's very nice guys. This is, I'm just sharing you Alaska guys. Very nice. That's an iceberg guys. Let's get it closer right there. Right there. Isn't it pretty guys? Amazing. Amazing. Hanapin nyo guys yung letters ng apelyado ko guys. Nandyan guys. Hanapin lang. Ayan.
Focus niyo, focus that waterfall.
Ito guys. Ganito kaganda ang world guys. There's always hope. Saan te?
Right there.
Wala naman.
It's like a
Kanang gamay na stream.
yeah, like a stream, huh?
Oh, yan guys, it's false daw guys, sabi ni Ate Pai. It's a false guys, it's true. It's not false, it's true guys.
Vlogger natin.
Vlogger nyo kahit ano lang sinasabi. Guys, ang ganda guys na. Gawin mo 4 kasama si Ate Pai.
Focus.
Bagong recruit.
Ito guys, ganda na. How great thou art na. Amazing yan guys. God's creation yan, hindi yan man-made. Truth yan guys, hindi yan AI. Ito kami that's the cruise line Yan.